top tier competition mouse.
The top tier specs.
Top notch.
The combo now of the rounded feet and the lighter body did feel better during use, and I feel like made me play better, and I was at the top of the leaderboard each time.
58 grams is that really beautiful sweet spot for the Viper shape.
Top to bottom, front to back, guys, perfectly balanced.
Sturdy with no creak, rattle, or flex.
Absolutely solid with a holeless design.
This sensor is definitely made to be used at the highest level of gaming.
Tracking on this mouse is going to feel immaculate. It's just smooth, extremely responsive, and just one of my favorite mice to actually use.
And these are the best optical switches I've tried for now.
All out on performance.
Fantastic product, and you're gonna love it. I can't get it off my desk.
Have to put this in the conversation for best mouse of the year.
This is the Logitech G Pro X Superlight wireless gaming mouse. This is Logitech's highest end product right now for their mice. Holy cow, was this thing light. This is my first experience with a wireless mouse, and I was expecting something to be, you know, a little heavier because it has to have a battery in it and everything, and I wasn't expecting it to be as light as it is. It does have the little cap on the bottom here, so if you need to hide the USB little receiver that comes with it, you can put it in there if you're traveling. That way you don't lose it. And then the cap just snaps back on with a magnet there. So very nice mouse. It does have 6 programmable buttons on it. Or I'm sorry, 5 programmable buttons on it. Very long battery life. I haven't ran the battery down on it yet. But if you do need to charge it, it does come with a micro USB cable there, a little dongle that you can plug in. You can use it while it's charging, so you know if the battery dies on it, you don't have to worry. You know it's not going to make the mouse useless or anything. But just overall, a very, very sensitive and very quiet mouse. Very light mouse. And you know, like I said, it's one of the best products from Logitech right now as far as their mice go. It is fully customizable as far as the sensitivity. It has a 25K sensor or 25,600 DPI. It is compatible with both PC and Mac, and it does come in both black and white. So I kind of like the looks of the white mouse, but you know, anybody that's used a mouse for a long time, you know, they can kind of get dirty over time and stuff. I didn't want to deal with that, so I went with the black one here. So like I said, very impressed with this mouse. It is my first step into a wireless mouse, and I'm trying to figure out why it took me so long to get to it, because this thing is just awesome. Gaming with it is great. just normal everyday productivity stuff is great as well. So there aren't any issues with the disconnects or it not responding when I go to use it. I typically use it turned on all the time. You can flip the switch on the bottom to turn it off if you're not using it. But it does go to sleep if it senses that you're not using it. It will go to sleep, so it's not running the battery down, and then it wakes up automatically when you move the mouse. So overall, guys, highly recommend this mouse. Very good quality, very light. I mean, this thing, it's almost like the weight of a sheet of paper, it seems like. So if you like the feel of a super light mouse, definitely look into the Logitech G Pro X Superlight wireless gaming mouse.